Hello dear students, I hope that you have already viewed the previous introductory part of reproduction in organism which I uploaded 2 or 3 days before. Now in this video we will discuss about the different modes of asexual reproduction. Asexual mode of reproduction, as we all know, asexual reproduction requires only one parent. That is, asexual is a mode of reproduction in which only one parent is required without formation of gametes. Now, there are several different modes of asexual reproduction like binary fission, multiple fission, spore formation, regeneration, fragmentation, budding, and several different sporulation. Several different modes are there for asexual reproduction. We will study each mode one by one. Therefore, in this video, we will start from binary fission. What is binary fission? So, binary fission is a mode of asexual reproduction. Binary fission word is derived from two words. First is bi. Bi means two. What is the meaning of bi? Bi means two. And fission. What do you mean by the word fission? Fission means breakdown. No? किसी भी चीज का टूटना, breakdown of anything. Breakdown of anything is called fission. So, binary fission, that means breakdown of one thing into two things. Because bi means two and fission means breakdown. So, how we will define binary fission? Binary fission is a mode of asexual reproduction in which one parent body, because binary fission is a mode of asexual reproduction, therefore one parent is required. So, binary fission is a mode of asexual reproduction in which only one parent is required and the body of one parent is divided into two daughter organisms. In biology, the newly formed organisms are said to be daughter organisms or daughter cells. Therefore, in the binary fission, one parent body is divided into two daughter cells. एक सेल जो होगी पेरेंट की बॉडी की वो कितने सेल में डिवाइड हो जाएगी? टू सेल्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगी एंड सच डिवीजन इज कॉल्ड बाइनरी फ्यूजन. Binary fission takes place in unicellular organisms like Amoeba, Euglena and Paramecium. There are more several examples like Leishmania also. Now we will consider an example of Amoeba in the binary fission. Let's see how binary fission takes place in Amoeba. So as we all know, this is the amoebal cell. Now amoeba is irregular in shape. Therefore, this amoeba at first fully grow and becomes mature. This is the parent amoeba. This parent amoeba is afterwards gone in the process of cell division, and see here, there is only one nucleus. Afterwards, one nucleus is divided, is detached into two nuclei. No? Therefore, in this step, division of nucleus takes place. And division of nucleus is called karyokinesis. The word is karyokinesis. What do you mean by the word karyokinesis? Karyokinesis is the division of nucleus. Afterwards, just see in the third step, in the amoebal cell, one nucleus is divided into two nuclei. These are the two nuclei, newly formed two nuclei. Nuclei is the plural of nucleus. Afterwards, in the fourth step, from the one amoebal parent cell, two new daughter cells are formed. These are the product of binary fission. So, definition is applicable here. How? One parent is there only, that is one parent amoebal cell. This parent amoebal cell, first what happens? In the first step, the division of nucleus takes place, that is called karyokinesis. Afterwards, the division of cytoplasm takes place, that is called cytokinesis. Kinesis means division and cyto means cytoplasm. After the division of cytoplasm, these two cells are separated from each other and forms two new daughter cells. These are the product of binary fission, that is newly formed cells. So, what is binary fission? Mode of asexual reproduction in which one parent body is divided into two daughter cells. Let us consider one more example, and what is the difference between these two we will study. Let's see. This is a single celled euglena. No? This euglena, this is the body of euglena. These are the two hair-like structures. You have already studied in the class 9th that these hair-like structures are called flagella. This euglena contains one nucleus. As we studied in the above diagram that at first in the binary fission, karyokinesis takes place, that is division of nucleus takes place. Therefore, after karyokinesis is started in the second step, that is division of nucleus is started, and in the third step, from the one nucleus two new nuclei are formed, and in the fourth step what will happen? In the fourth step, these two euglena will separate from each other. That means division of cytoplasm takes place and two daughter euglena will form. But there is a difference between these two processes. In amoeba, binary fission takes place in an irregular mode. Irregular mode, that is, there is no specific plane for the division. As we all know, the shape structure of amoeba is also not fixed. तो अमीबा में क्या होगा? इरेगुलर मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. मतलब बाइनरी फिजन तो हो रहा है अमीबा में भी, लेकिन वो इरेगुलर है. इरेगुलर क्यों है? इसलिए इरेगुलर है क्योंकि उसमें न्यूक्लियस किधर से भी डिवाइड कर सकता है, साइटोप्लाज्म किधर से भी डिवाइड हो सकता है ना. मतलब उसमें कोई फिक्स प्लेन नहीं है कि इसी प्लेन से डिवीजन होगा. बट इन द केस ऑफ पैरामीशियम एंड यूग्लिना, ये यूग्लिना के केस में और पैरामीशियम के केस में, इन यूग्लिना लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डिवीजन टेक्स प्लेस. No, that means a fixed plane is there for the division, है ना. Just see here, जितने भी यूग्लिना होंगे, है ना, सब में लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डिवीजन होगा. किसका? साइटोप्लाज्म का. इसी प्लेन में डिवीजन हो रहा है, इसी प्लेन में डिवाइड होकर ये दो ऑर्गेनिजम्स बट गए, है ना. तो इन द केस ऑफ यूग्लिना, इन द केस ऑफ पैरामीशियम और इन द केस ऑफ लेशमीनिया, द डिवीजन दैट इज बाइनरी फिजन टेक्स प्लेस इन अ डेफिनिट प्लेन, चाहे वो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल हो चाहे वो ट्रांसवर्स हो, है ना. जैसे यूग्लिना में लॉन्गिट्यूडनल डिवीजन हो रहा है तो पैरामीशियम में ट्रांसवर्स डिवीजन होता है ना. तो एक्सेप्ट अमीबा, अमीबा को छोड़कर बाकी जो भी है हमारे यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स जिसमें होता है क्या, बाइनरी फिजन, उनमें क्या होता है कि प्रॉपर एक प्लेन है डिवीजन के लिए, लेकिन अमीबा में कोई भी प्लेन नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई इन अमीबा इरेगुलर मोड ऑफ binary fission takes place, and in euglena, that is longitudinal, that means in a plane binary fission takes place. Therefore, one important question will here, what is that? Why amoeba is called immortal organism? As we all know, all the living organisms are mortal. That means death is certain for every living organisms including human beings. No, death is certain, मरना तो है ही, लेकिन अमीबा अमर है. अमीबा इज इमॉर्टल. व्हाई? बिकॉज सेल डिवीजन इज इटसेल्फ अ मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. इसमें सेल डिवीजन ही क्या है? मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है. यहां पे पेरेंट की डेथ हुई क्या? पेरेंट की डेथ तो नहीं हुई ना. पेरेंट की डेथ कहां हुई? पेरेंट की जो सेल है, क्योंकि पेरेंट यूनिसेलुलर है, वो डिवाइड होकर न्यू डॉटर सेल्स बना दिया. देयरफॉर इन द अमीबा the cell division is itself a mode of reproduction. That's why amoeba is said to be immortal organism. This is all about binary fission. We will study multiple fission in the next video. One answer you have to write in the comment box. Write down any 2 or 3 examples of binary fission. That's all for this video.